Okay. Holy crap! That was loud! Oh my god, I just heard a siren! I just heard a ding! Holy crap, I think that was a tornado warning! Tornado warning! Where? 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 You're lying. Holy crap. That was a hurricane warning, I think. Oh, what did you see? Holy crap. Hurricane warning. We heard it. We heard the We heard the hurricane warning. Mom. Quick, get in here, DJ. We tried to set up shop at the mailboxes. Oh! Oh, it scared me. It scared me. We tried, Elijah, we tried to set up shop at the mailboxes, but then we heard coming from the clouds. Then we heard lightning strike. Then we saw we heard it. I know.
I love hurricanes.
The video's still going, right?
Yeah.
Hurricane guys.
Let's get. No, I want to go out there.
Let's go! For the camera! For the camera! For the camera!
You need to get food.
Food, food, stash. Stash it. Stash it. Stash it. Stash the food. Dying. Stash the food. I'm already dying. Stash it. Get all the canned beans. I don't know if you even stash the food. Okay, chips. Okay, we gotta stash this food. Okay. Stash the food. Okay. We must evacuate. Come on. DJ, come on. Stash the food. What else do we have? Okay. Water bottle. Guys, we have to stash this food. Okay. We're stashing the food. There's a hurricane. Cheetos. We heard the hurricane warning. Cheetos.
How do you know if it is a hurricane?
Okay. What else? What else do we have? What else do we have to stash? This. Some cereal. Who, me? Of course I set a password on my tablet. That's why I don't want people just wandering on. I don't want people going on my tablet just thinking they could go in and check stuff.
I used to know the password.
Yeah, I used to.
Look, guess what happened?
What?
My cup fell. It's my cup. It fell and landed right here.
That's cool. Okay, we're ready. We are ready to evacuate. We will evacuate as soon as we are told to. Okay, put on Bay News 9. Okay, let's go. Okay. Turn on Bay News 9. Okay. No, Bay News 9 has weather on the 9s. There's a boat.
No, Joe,
Wait, guys.
2 years. I've seen that boat.
Clutch.
309. Good afternoon. I'm meteorologist Josh Schlinker. Thank you for joining us here for weather on the 9s. Heavy rain falling across parts of the area today. We've had repeated rounds of
That's
showers.
where we are.
We
It's not 3 inches. This is like 3 inches. Around that's 3 inches probably.
We do have new showers out in the Gulf of Mexico getting closer. So Pinellas County, with the exception of northern Pinellas,
Look at all this.
this is going to be coming in. Same thing for
total
Manatee
strikes
County.
of lightning in
Polk
15
County are getting a little
Look,
bit of
the
a
last
break, but
15
more
minutes,
showers
total
and
strikes of
thunderstorms on the way.
lightning.
And take a look at what's falling
You know,
over
earlier
downtown
when I
right
was
now.
sleeping,
It is very heavy
big
back
boom.
across the Independence on MacDill Air Force Base and crossing the bridges.
Look,
It let go of it for
red.
sure. Take a look
Hold
at
on.
this timeline,
Where's?
because these showers,
Forgot to make the radar app on my tablet.
developing over the same spots. And this is an area where we're going to improve this evening, so we'll keep the potential for
Hey everyone, I don't know if you saw our other hurricane videos we made inside safely. And you could get that. Oh no, it's real. We may have to evacuate in real life. The trees are literally falling. Trees are literally falling. Everywhere. We're not gonna go out, we're just gonna open the door. That's how it is! Look at all that rain! Okay, this is really something. This is really, look at all that rain. Look at that rain. Okay, gonna go. Elijah thinks it might hail today, but look at that rain. Look at that rain, guys. Did it maybe some music?
Oh shoot! Now there's wind. Okay, I hate when there's a lot of wind.
Wait, look. Music says a windsock. Which way? It's going more this way, look.
It was going that way.
Yeah, okay. I'm gonna keep this out.
Oh shoot! I think we should actually go inside.
They have to evacuate, like, not kidding. We may have to evacuate in real life. If so, you better believe we're gonna have the GoPro on.
At first we were actually joking, but then we actually, because it was pretty bad weather, but now it's actually happening.
Oh my god. And you know, I heard that, they might have even heard it on the video, because I had the GoPro on at the time. You heard that? Holy crap, wait. Wait, wind change direction. Hold on. Okay, it definitely went. Look at the puddles. Come on, this way, this way.
We need cover. We need cover.
Look. Go now. Holy crap, it's real. This is bad.
Shoot! No! Fuck. Let's try to find cover. Plasma.
Where do we find cover?
Your house.
We need really an adventure.
What the heck are these ducks doing here? Shoo!
We're gonna get really well. Look, this is what I always do as an umbrella.
Alright, let's just go back. Let's go back.
Okay, just take your shirt off and put it like Elijah did. And I'm just holding it now. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna put it on my head anyway. I have this on. This.
Actually, here, I'll take that.
Be able to. No, we're not allowed to go in here. Okay, I'm just gonna turn this off. Start to rain harder. You know, what'd be really cool. No, dude, no. Look, okay, it's not supposed to be fun. We're supposed to be out searching for a hurricane, okay? Go in the bushes. Yes, right here is okay. Oh my God, guys, you may actually be able to see this rain on screen on your thing. Yeah, here, is it still going? What time?
41 minutes.
Okay,
We're gonna look up hurricane.
here, this way. No, dude. Look, we have to stay out. This is for you guys that are watching this video, okay? This is for you guys, DJ. Do it for them. Do it for the subscribers. Do it for them. We reached up to 91 subscribers, okay? We gotta go for them. For those people who subscribed. It's for you guys. We might die for you. I doubt we're gonna die. We might slip and fall. Probably the only injury we're gonna have. Where you going? Okay, then go. I gotta go when you're done, so take the camera when you're done, because I gotta go too. I'll look the other way. No, I'll tell you. Okay, car watcher. There's a golf cart. There's a golf cart. Golf cart. Here, on the road. Okay, guys, storm hunters. Storm hunters. Storm freaking hunters. No, dude, look. We're staying outside, DJ. We got to.
We got like 40 minutes.
Hold on. Keep your eye on the sky. What? Hold up. Hold on. No. No, we're not. There's birds out. What? Go! What happened? What? I know. Okay, guys. We heard the hurricane warning. This is really bad, guys. This is really bad. I know, this is really bad. This is really bad. I can't wait to watch this. Oh, I'm gonna still be vlogging it. Oh, I can't believe that, guys. Hurricane warning. Can't wait to watch this. Oh. No. We heard the hurricane warning. We saw clouds going toward the ground. We saw clouds going fast. We saw a bunch of rain out there.